If you're seeing a GOG sync error, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple fix you can try in just a couple of minutes. This is a really useful troubleshooting step if your cloud saves are not syncing properly, your game progress is not updating, or GOG Galaxy is getting stuck on a sync issue. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software and gaming fixes. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is open the GOG client on your computer. Once it's open, head over to the settings area. In GOG Galaxy, click settings, then look for game features. This is where you can manage options related to cloud saves and other game-related features. Now, find the cloud saves option. What we want to do here is reset it. So first, uncheck cloud saves to turn it off. After that, wait a few seconds so the client has time to register the change properly. Then turn cloud saves back on again by checking the box. This simple toggle can often fix temporary sync problems because it forces GOG to refresh the cloud save connection and re-establish communication with your account. If the error was caused by a minor glitch, this alone may solve it. If the sync problem is still there, the next step is to verify and repair the game installation. Go to your library and click on the game that is giving you the error. Next, look for the customization icon right next to the play button. This is usually where GOG places extra management options for each game. Click that icon, then choose Manage Installation, and from the menu, select Verify/Repair. This will scan the game files and check for any corrupted, missing, or broken data. If GOG finds anything wrong, it will automatically try to repair it for you. This step is important because sync errors can sometimes happen when the game installation is not fully healthy or when the files tied to cloud saving are damaged. By verifying and repairing the game, you give GOG a clean starting point and improve the chances of cloud saves syncing correctly again. Once the repair process finishes, go back and test the game again. Launch it, make a small change, save your progress, and see if the sync error is gone. In many cases, combining the cloud save toggle with a verify and repair is enough to fix the issue completely. If you're still having problems after that, you may want to restart GOG Galaxy and even reboot your computer just to clear out any temporary background issues. But in most cases, the two steps in this video are the fastest and safest fixes to try first. So to recap, first, go to Settings, then Game Features, toggle cloud, saves off and back on. Second, open your game, click the customization icon, go to Manage Installation, and run Verify/Repair. That's the basic fix for a GOG sync error. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.